Hello guys, so a few videos ago you seen that we got one of these wheel loaders, an excavator and a little crane, but what you haven't seen yet is that when I took the wheel loader out of the packaging, it had been moving freely inside the box, and what happened in the end was the mechanism for the steering actually broke. So um, you're going to see a video of it being unboxed, and also there's a repair video as well, so I have to edit them yet, but uh, basically Banggood replaced it pretty quickly. All I had to do was upload a few photos, a video of what was wrong with the model, just show them that it wasn't working basically, and they shipped out. It was probably 2 days later, but bear in mind that there's nearly like a 12-hour time difference or something like that between, they're finishing work or they're starting work and I'm finishing work, so you have to give them a bit of time for the time difference. But it was pretty quickly that they agreed to send a replacement. But just so you know, this replacement one actually came packaged pretty much the same as the first one, so this is what you can expect if you're ordering one of these. So you can see again at the front, it's been bouncing into the packaging there, and when we look at the controller you can see black marks down along the controller there, so that's from the back of the model bouncing into the controller. So clearly it's been moving around again. I'll see if I can show you. So you can probably see that it's all sort of shaking about there, but despite that, the mechanism in the middle of this one seems to be okay. On the other one you could see that it was pretty loose. As soon as you moved the box, it was pivoting in the center. It looks like this one is holding okay. So this was just to let you know that this is the way it's coming packaged. It's not great, and you're almost guaranteed to have some damage to the paintwork on the back there. But I'd say when we take this one out of the box, it's going to be fine. I'll probably do that at the weekend and we can just see what it's like out of the box. And now you know that if yours does come damaged the way mine was, say with the steering mechanism or any other damage, all you need to do is raise the issue with Banggood and, send the videos or whatever it is that they want, and you'll get it dealt with pretty quickly. And like I say, there is the unboxing video of the original one where I show you the damage, then there's the repair, and we'll take a look at this hopefully working one when we get that out of the box. It should be a quick enough one after we've kind of went to more detail in the others, so we'll just see what it should be like, and we'll compare the damage, I guess. So that just gives you an idea of what's coming up. Thanks very much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you don't want to miss out on the next video, click the subscribe button below and get the bell on for notifications. A big thanks to all our patrons, sponsors, and you guys buying the PCBs for your own projects. That all helps to support the channel and keep the content coming. And speaking of content, there should be links on the screen now to a few more videos if you want to keep watching. And if you go to the channel homepage, you'll see that there are plenty of playlists there to check out. But that's all I have for today, so I'll see you in the next video.